I'm back, and I'm happy that you are back as well with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails, and in this video I show you some new products from SheModern. Tina was so nice to send me these products for reviews. She has developed new stickers that you can individual color in, and she has developed some flexible reusable stencils, and we're gonna play with those today. These products are based on using foil glue, and I have a Moira foil glue here. I will show you what I do today. I will try them for the first time. I have watched Tina's videos on YouTube on how to use these items. I'm very excited because it looks like it's really creative and you can do tons of nail arts with them. I will link all the product links in the description box below as always, and I will link also Tina's YouTube channel SheModern, where you can see her showing you lots of gorgeous designs with these new products. We're gonna play today with the flexible reusable stencils first, and I have already unwrapped that. They come in packages like that, but just to have them handy, I packed them out. These are the new foil stickers, also to be used with foil glue, and you color them in with glitter or with Sharpies or with gel polish, but we will do that in another video so that it doesn't take too long for what I do today. In this package there is also a reusable stencil, and this one is for French tips, and you can create different lines with it. So these are the reusable stencils she now has developed, and you can see it's very flexible. I put it on the background here so you can see it. Very flexible. You have different half moons here that you can use. You have a straight line, you have a wavy line, and this is also for pressing on the flexible stencils so that they securely sit on your nail while you do everything. It is recommended to use gel polishes, but I will try it with regular nail polish on tips. Tina recommends, after you have top coated your nails, to buff them before you put on the nail glue. And I will do that all as always when I speed up the video, but I will tell you every step of the way what I do. I will pop that up so you can see that, and we will also work with these flexible stencils. So I'm not only gonna create some French tips and some lines, but I'm also gonna create some designs. And therefore I got here these stencils with hearts, stars, drops, with this geometrical shapes here and with the little circles. And these are supposed to be used like that. When the glue is on your nail, you put them on like that, and then you can easily apply glitters and powders. So you get lots of things in this little baggie here. You get a little flexible plastic canvas. You can mix glitters with top coat here. You can mix your colors to fill in the new stickers, and you can put down your glitters and easily put them back in your little pots. I will use glitters and powders today. She also gives you some different things in here. So these are different backgrounds where you can use your foil stickers here. And there is also here in this one another of these flexible reusable stencils. I have two now because I have two packages, and I'm gonna use them both because when I put on one of them, then I can easily flatten with the other. We're gonna play around with this now. These little things I don't need today. These are more for the backgrounds for the stickers. I will use the stickers that she sent to me in a different video to show you how you color those in and how you put them on. But for now, I'm gonna speed up the video. I'm gonna pop up what I do, and I'm gonna start with buffing the nails and putting on the nail glue and let them dry for at least 30 minutes. You can also use a little fan to dry them, which cuts your drying time down. I will do that taking my time, and I will see what we can do. You know the drill. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and I'll see you afterwards with the finished designs. guys, I'm back. I have played around with the stencils, and for the first time I thought I didn't do too bad. You have to be really careful that you don't contaminate the parts where you don't want to have glitter. This was my major issue actually. You really have to make sure that you put the stencils up here where you don't want to have glitter, so the part where the stencil is, of course. Then you dab the glitter on until nothing sticks to it anymore, and then you first remove the loose glitter before you put on the next glitter. In between, always clean your hands with a lint roller. Do not use a brush. I found that the brush distributes the glitter where it's not supposed to go, and then you have some glitters that you actually don't want to have here. I liked this also, the stencil. It was easy to be placed and to remove. Of course, I could have done the placement a little better. This is not really perfection, but of course, who wants to be perfectionist? I think it really is a nice new gadget for nail art. But still, you have to be careful. With these stencils, I feel like I had too much of the nail foil glue on it. So next time I probably put on a thinner coat. I let it dry for about 45 minutes and still I had lots of glue sticking to the stencil, which shouldn't happen. When I watched Tina's video, she doesn't have glue sticking to the stencil. I removed the glue with isopropyl alcohol, which worked nice, but I damaged this stencil because I somehow nicked it with my nail. Be careful when you remove or place the stencils that you always use your fingers, not your nails, to remove them. It worked nicely to put them on and to flatten them so that they really flat with the same stencil or with the second stencil. That was no problem. And I found that it was getting better with each nail. I mean, you really have lots of creative possibilities. I like this one with the waves, but again with the powders down here, I didn't put enough powders here and then they blended together. I have the crisp lines here, as you can see on this side, but here I have a little mix. So this is something you really have to try out.
I think you can
so
see
up
it like
here
that.
we
Yeah,
have the
here
crisp lines, but down here I had not really put on enough powder, so when I used the second color or the third color, it blended a little together. And for the third nail, I think I did very well. You can see I really have crisp lines and there is no glitter blending in over in the other one. And I also used a little butterfly from this foils here. I told you I would use them in the next, but I thought let's put one on and try it out. I put it on my flat side of the stamper so I could push it down and then you rub it a little and then it sticks. After you top coat everything, you don't see that you have buffed the nail. Again, the stencils are really giving you lots of possibilities for nail art, and these ones here, it was no problem to put them on, to reposition them. And with the canvases, this is also nice to work with, but be careful, they will tear if you go in with the nails, so you have to be a little careful with them. They can be reused, but you have to be careful. And you need your friend the lint roller to remove all these glitters so that you have really nice glitter placement. What do you think? Have you seen these products? Have you used them? How was it for you? How did you like them? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. That was it for today. Thank you, Tina, so much for sending me these products. Guys, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Over here there will be a bubble coming up with my picture at the end. Just click on that, doesn't cost you anything, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.